Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on Surd. You are asked to simplify the following Surds without using calculator. So let's see how we can do this properly. So for the first one, root 75 over root 108. So similarly, we're going to take 75 and divide it by all the Surds. So I know 75 probably could divide it by a perfect square of 25. Let's go see that. And this will be 3. So that's just nice. So this part here, for this part, what you're going to get is 75 is actually 25 times 3. Okay, and for 108, we're going to try dividing it with 9. Dividing with 9, 12, and you still could divide 4 because, so this is 9 times 4 times 3. Just remember that these are all perfect square. So basically now this is root 25, root 3, plus root 9, root 4, root 3. Okay, so root 25 will be 5 root 3. This will be plus 3 times 4 times 2 actually, times 2 root 3. So this will be 6. 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3. Okay, 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3. So how do you write this out? To simplify this, remember that just see your root 3 as the next term. So this is equivalent to, like, if you have got 5x plus 6x, what will you write? Okay, so your x now is root 3, so this is actually 11x, right? So it's the same thing. You must be able to tell that this is actually 11 root 3. All right, that's how we do the first part. Let's move on to part B. Okay, so part B we have root 32 plus root 50, right? So 32 it could be divided by 16 maybe. So 32 divided by 16. 16 is a perfect square, so this is 16 times 2. 50 we all know is 25 times 2, so that's great. So this will be 16 times root 2 plus root 25 times root 2. So this will be 4 root 2 plus 5 root 2. This will be 9 root 2. So 4 root 2 times plus 2 root 2, 5 root 2, right? So 4 plus 5 would be 9 root 2. Okay, so similarly, this is addition of your Surds form. Just be mindful that they are the same in terms of like 4x plus 5x. Okay, so let's look at the next part, which is part C. Part C, we have 3 plus 5 root 2 and 4 minus 2 root 2. So this is similar to just distribute them as such, okay, and distribute this as such. So what we're going to get is actually just 3 multiplied with 4. This will be 12 minus 3 root 2, and 5 multiplied with 4 will be 5 times 4 will be 20 root 2, and minus plus 5 root 2 multiplied with minus root 2. Right, let's see how we can simplify this. So 12 minus 3 root 2. So this is negative 3x plus 20. So this will give us negative positive 17 root 2, right? This over here, 5 root 2 minus root 2 will be negative 5 times 2, because root 2 times root 2 is 2. So there you go. This will be 12 minus 10 plus 17 root 2, and you could simplify this as 2 plus 17 root 2. So just take note, the root 2 will never interact with the constant, and so does the constant will not interact with the root 2. Okay, so this is how we do this part here provisionally. Any question or comments, do let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.